Okay, we're going to talk about your first Blackboard assignment, which is called Section 1 Article. So as we can see here from the calendar, that one's going to be due on the 26th. So that's due Friday at 11:59. Now you have several ways you can get to it. You can click on it from the calendar and that'll take you to it. Or if we go over to Blackboard assignments, you can click on that link. That'll take you to the Blackboard assignment. So here's Section 1 Article. So a couple things to note about an assignment is it'll say complete the following assignment and turn in the write-up document to Blackboard. All right, the instructions to your assignments will be in the video that you'll see the icon here below. It's currently not up there because I'm making the video right now, but I'll have that attached so you can always click on the video to go through the instructions in more detail. I'm never going to give a lot of instructions on here. I'll usually just say to complete the assignment. So the assignment is to read an article. So you'll click on section 1, a trillion. And here's the article. So it's a New York Times article about the number 1 trillion. And you'll read this page and that page and a half. And once you read it, you'll need to complete the write-up document. So if I go back to Blackboard, I can click on the write-up template. And that's going to open up a Word document down here, which I can then open. All right, and here's the directions, the assignment. Then I want you to write 3 short paragraphs highlighting 3 things you found interesting about the article. Each paragraph should have at least 3 sentences. Each paragraph is worth 5 points. Okay, so right here I kind of let you know how much the assignment's worth. 3 points or 3 things you found interesting, 5 points apiece, so 15 points. Now, one thing I want to point out is I format this in a specific way so that it's easier for me to grade. So here's where I want you to put your first interesting point, and notice how this is blue. So you'll highlight this, and you'll say whatever it is that you found interesting. Notice how my text is actually blue. I didn't change it back to black. This way I can distinguish real quickly between the question and what you wrote. So everything that you do is going to be in blue. Okay, so you'll do that for each one of these. You'll type your responses, try to be a little more insightful than what I'm doing right now. Okay. And then once you have that, then you're going to take this and you're going to save it. Okay. So you'll save as, whatever you want to. I usually save stuff to my desktop just because I don't like to use folders, the folders that they give you. So I usually use a desktop. But I'll call this section 1 practice. Okay, you can really call it whatever you want. It doesn't matter because when you submit it, it's going to go into the correct Blackboard folder. So I don't really care what you call your assignments. So I'll call it section 1 practice. Just make sure that you know where you saved it. Okay, so now let's assume that I'm done and I want to turn it in. Okay, to submit an assignment, you're going to click on the actual title of it. So right here is the section 1 article. You can click on that, and here's where it pops up a lot of information. It tells me it's due August 26th for 15 points. And to submit it then, I have to go to attach file. I'm going to browse my computer. So you're going to click on that button right there. And now I need to remember where I saved it. That's why I like to use the desktop. So I can click on desktop now. I can go through all my stuff. And usually just hang out right there. Section 1 practice. Okay, so if you like to organize your files differently, that's fine. But I'm going to open that up. And click on it. Then click open. Okay, so now it is attached. And once you have that and you're done, you click submit and it'll submit the assignment. An important thing to note is that once you submit it, you are done. It will not let you resubmit. So this assignment only has 1 file to submit, but later we'll have ones with multiple files. And so you want to make sure you attach everything before you submit. If you submit the wrong file or you submit an assignment without a file, please send me an email and I can clear the submission so that you can resubmit it. So that's basically the first assignment. Make sure you get it done by the 26th. And if you have any trouble saving or submitting or any of the computer issues, let me know. Thank you.